In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your workspace looks and feels just the way you want it, whether you prefer something bright and clean or a darker, more focused vibe. Start by going to ClickUp. Open the site or your app and sign in so you're looking at your workspace. This makes sure the theme you pick is applied to what you actually use every day. Give the page a second to load completely so all the menus are available. Now look to the top right corner of your screen. Click the profile icon. That's the small avatar circle, or initials you'll see there. This opens a quick menu with options that control your personal experience in ClickUp, and that's exactly where theme settings live. In that menu, click on Themes. This brings up the area where you can manage how ClickUp looks for you. Think of it as your appearance control center. If the panel opens in a narrow sidebar, that's normal. Everything you need is right there. Next, click on ClickUp Theme. This ensures you're viewing the standard theme options designed and supported by ClickUp. It's the safest place to start because these presets are tested to work well across pages like List, Board, and Calendar views. Now, select a theme. As you click each option, you'll typically see the preview apply instantly to your interface. This makes it easy to compare and choose what feels best. If you work long hours or often at night, a darker theme can reduce eye strain. If you prefer maximum contrast and crispness, a lighter theme might be ideal. Pay attention to how headings, task cards, and sidebar colors look, and pick the one that keeps text readable without being distracting. There's no separate save button here. Your choice usually sticks right away. If you change your mind, simply click another theme and it will update again just as quickly. Don't worry, this affects only your personal view, so you can adjust it anytime without impacting teammates. Before you wrap up, take a quick lap around your workspace. Open a few views you use most, like a project list or a dashboard, to confirm everything still feels clear and comfortable. If something looks off, return to themes and try another option until it's just right. That's all there is to it. Go to ClickUp, open your profile menu, choose Themes, open the ClickUp theme section, and select the look you love. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed workspace.